Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use sample loops in FL Studio. We'll start by understanding what a sample loop is and why it's a fundamental element in modern music production. You'll learn the straightforward process of importing your chosen audio files directly into the FL Studio playlist. Then, we'll explore the basic tools available for manipulating these loops, allowing you to quickly arrange and duplicate them across your track. This foundational knowledge is key to building your musical ideas efficiently. Next, let's dive into warping and syncing your loops. It's crucial to ensure your loops align perfectly with your project's tempo. We'll show you how to adjust the loop speed to match your track's beats per minute, ensuring everything stays in time. You'll also discover the powerful time stretching feature, which allows for seamless synchronization. Remember to experiment with different stretching algorithms to find the best sound quality for your specific audio. Now, let's get creative with loop manipulation. Beyond simple playback, FL Studio offers many ways to transform your samples. You can slice and rearrange segments of a loop, creating unique rhythmic variations and entirely new patterns. We'll also explore applying a range of effects, such as reverb, delay, and distortion, to give your loops character. Don't forget to automate parameters for dynamic and evolving soundscapes throughout your composition. Finally, let's talk about organizing and exporting your work. A well-managed sample library saves you valuable time. We'll cover how to efficiently organize your loops within FL Studio's browser for easy access. You'll also learn to save your customized loops and patterns, making them readily available for future projects. When your track is complete, we'll guide you through the export process, ensuring all your integrated sample loops are perfectly rendered in your final audio file.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.